Greetings in the name of Yahuwah and his son Yahusha HaMashiach. My name is Malak Shalomo. Right now I'm in a live trade. Today is the 11th of October 2023. Right now I'm recouping some losses. Earlier today, tried to go long off of Camarilla R3 and got stopped out a couple times. So right now I'm just getting back into profit right now. Let me try and find my epic pen. It was kind of hard holding on to this short right now because it was kind of indecisive, the way price action was moving. So let me see here. My first target is 43.82. That's just above value area high. So right now I'm just getting back into profit. Right now I'm at 24 contracts. This is the MES. So let's see how this goes. Let's see how it goes. I'm really trying to get back. I'm really trying to hold on to the gains I have right now. I don't want to end up in a red day, but that's not really good trading. I gotta let it play out. You know, I already made these losses here, trying to recoup it. So gotta make a decision now whether it's the best thing is to safeguard the P&L or to make the proper trades, right? So right now we're bouncing off of the CPR right here. So I gotta be mindful of that. Anything above this level here, I should probably close 43.96. Anything holding above that, I should probably close. So if I do close above that level, I'm gonna end up red again. So let's see what happens here. So we're getting the rejection off of the lower VWAP band, lower deviation. And let's see if we get that continuation lower. Let me try and use this a little bit as well. Right, that's the CPR right there. That's the central pivot. The bottom central pivot is here and the top central pivot is right there. So we are wrong. 43.92.25 is the CPR. So you see we're getting support right there. Oh, let me leave it. I should probably leave that on. Let me just, because I'm not going to stay in this mode. So right, that's the CPR. We want to break down that level right there. And let me just pull this across. Hopefully I have time to do it. Or you know what? I should just manage the trade 43.98.75. Let me just keep it right there. 43.98.75. It's kind of out of the way, so I wanted to show you guys something on Bookmap, but I think I gotta be nimble right now and close this trade probably if it holds above 43.96. Alright, we're getting a little doji candle right there again. Make this bigger. Hopefully you can see that properly. Alright, it's looking like we might get some follow through. So this is an auction going on right here, sideways movement. We're getting a breakdown of the auction again. And continuation to the downside. Back now to the CPR. 43.92. Let's see if we break that now. All right, another doji candle. Let's see if it wants to push back up or if it's going to break. We have heavy liquidity at 43.89.75. So somewhere around here, 43.90. We have heavy liquidity, so it's kind of in the same range of the CPR. Yesterday's close, somewhere around there. We have heavy liquidity. I can't really pull across bookmap right now because I gotta manage this trade. So heavy liquidity at 43.90. I don't like that candle right there. Yeah, I don't like that price action. Hopefully price doesn't get scared of the liquidity and we could push through. Right, pushing up on 43.96 again. Yeah, I'm gonna close my trade right now. Right, so 240 loss so far. Let's see what happens here. I gotta manage this trade and this paper trade is still good, but just to stay in balance, I'm gonna close the trade. So if we get this breakdown here again, maybe I'll take another short. That's one of my rules. Anything above the lower VWAP band in a downtrend, I'm gonna close the trade. Right, so we're getting movement downwards again. Let's see if we could break that lower deviation band again. That green line right there. So right, we're trying to get back below that green line. It was resistance, hopefully it's not support now. Alright, it's kinda acting like support. Alright, we're getting a breakdown. Let's see if it stays below. I think we're gonna get to that heavy liquidity at 43.90, so I'm gonna take a short here, keep the stop tight at 43.9750. Let's see if we could hold on right there. Actually, 43.9775 is the better stop. All right, let's see if we get the continuation. We got the push above the lower deviation, stopped out, trying to guard the P&L, and let's see if we get a continuation lower. My target was 43.82. Let me try and, man, this is pulling back on me again. All right, so my target is value area high, which is at 43.8150. So that's my target right there, 43.8150. So it's looking like it's holding below lower VWAP. Let me see if I can make some adjustments right now. 43.81. I'm gonna do 43.82. I'm gonna take off half right there, and let's see. Camarilla S3 is at 43.77. All right, so 43.77.25. 77.50. All right. So let's see if this one works out. Still pushing up on this lower deviation band right here, the green line. The liquidity on bookmap is still there. Let me see if I could quickly pull this across. All right, so you can see the heavy liquidity there at 43.90 on bookmap. I think that's where we're trying to go. Hopefully we could stay below this level right here, 43.97. All right, some stops coming out right there. 18 stops. We got 26 stops. I need more stops to come out because we don't want to have that that divergence right there. If price is moving down, I want more stops to come out. 26, this is less. So I want to see that increasing as we go down. All right, it's looking like we're going to grab that liquidity right now. All right, we have 95 stops. All right, so that's what I want to see. I want to see more stops coming out. This price action is kind of hard to read, like on a small level, on a scale to scale, or like a bar to bar level. I just gotta kind of go with the general look of this right here, right? So we rejected, had the R3 breakdown, and we're moving down, right? So what I mean is this, right? Let me just, oh man, look at this crap. Yeah, they're really doing a number right now, man. So on the faster time frame, that's what I'm talking about, right? Like candle to candle, it's a lot of distribution. Well, not distribution, but a lot of auctioning going around in this level here. So it's kind of indecisive. I gotta kind of just keep my stop where it is. We're getting the deviation rejection again, although we got that spike right there. So sometimes that happens in auctions, right? They're heading a certain way, but they'll have certain spikes, and this is supposed to move down lower again, right? Because from this auction we had the breakdown auction, push back up into this auction right here, testing it, and let's see. I guess they're checking to see if they have buyer interest at this level. And today is crazy. I gotta kind of have faith that we're heading towards that heavy liquidity at 43.90. So that's what I'm kind of banking on. That's gonna be drawing price. So all of these little whipsaws or up thrusts into this auction right here, I can't be phased by that and want to close my trade. I have my stop in the proper place. It's above this auction level. So right now in this auction level right here, we just tested. It's a lower high. Let me just pull this out. So this came back up, lower high. My VPOC here on the 15-second chart is at this level. Um, Came back down again. Now we're pushing up. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. They really tempted me to just break even this trade or stop it right now until we hold below that lower deviation band, that green band right there, the green line VWAP. So is the heavy liquidity acting as support for buyers to push up? All right, let me close this. This is moving up too much. All right, so we are 315 in the red. Let me see what's going on. Let's see if we want to come back up to VWAP or the mid to get a rejection from up there. All right, I'm gonna take the short again. Stop just above this level here, 43.9750. Yeah, this isn't looking too good. Came right back up. All right, it's looking like I'm gonna get stopped out here. All right, so stopped out there. Man, today is rough. And look at that. This price action is just crazy right now. Didn't get stopped out on this one. I don't know why. Wait, was it different? 43.9750, 43. Well, it looks like the same, but I guess it didn't go up and touch this one here. So I'm gonna just close that just for a good measure. right, take a look at bookmap here. So it's looking like price is avoiding the heavy liquidity right now. I don't know if they're trying to run back up to like 44.5 to come back down for the liquidity or what. But there's a lot of liquidity at the bottom end. All right, let me see what's happening here. It's looking like we dropping below. All right, let me take a short here. All right, so my stop is at 43.98. I think this is going to be my last one right now. Let's see what they do. The stop is kind of tight though, but yeah, I'm gonna do 43.98.50 as the stop. All right, we below lower deviation band again. Let's see if we get a continuation. It's now at 43.95.25. Because I think they want to get that liquidity at 43.90, man. So once we break through that, we got more liquidity going down to like 43.87.50. So I think they want to get that. Let's see if I can ride their coattails right now. See, I'm gonna set up my original take profit 43.82 and Camarilla S3. I think that might get me just probably back to break even or something like that. Let's see if I get to hit these targets. If not, it's a big red day. All right, so this is where we're trying to break through. You see there's heavy liquidity here as well, 43.90, 43.87. This is kind of like the bigger picture, just above 43.87. I'm trying to get here. Now you see there's liquidity down here again as well. That's a further target at 43.72. I think this is one of my levels as well, 43.77.50. So maybe we could get a nice boost or break down through this liquidity and get some momentum to the downside. If the sellers have strength to take on this liquidity here, then that'll be proven that they definitely have enough momentum to push to the downside. See this kind of price action right here. Can't trust it. Yeah. Look at this shit, man. Alright, look like the stop is gonna get slaughtered again. We back above lower deviation at 43.95.25. just added to the position there to see if we get that flush down again, because I really think we want to get to that 43.90. Just added there, so I'm up to 24 contracts. If this pulls back on me real vicious, then that's it for me. It's gonna be a big red day. It could be heading back up to VWAP at 4,400. So let's see, man. This is real topsy-turvy. One thing, it doesn't want to break that lower deviation right there at 43.95. I need it to get below that level. They're really testing my patience right here above this 43.90 heavy liquidity area. They're really dancing around. Right, so on TradingView, this is the developing volume point of control. Let's see if we get more buyers at this level or if we get the breakthrough. This white line right here. See how we're getting buyers right there? Right, so now that's the battle between the lower VWAP at 43.95 and the developing volume point of control at 43.93. Let's see if we have a winner here for the shorts. You see how they're battling right there? Come on, stay below, stay below. All right, I'm gonna close this trade here while they battle at this level. And let me see what's happening here. Alright, taking another short here. Stop at 43.9650. Keep my stops real tight right now. Right, we're getting some momentum, so I added to the trade right now. At first entry was 43.9450. Second was 43.9275. 2 points real quick right there. So looking like we're getting that momentum. Put some stops here at 43.8850. All right. Overnight 43.88. All right. Actually, this is what I want to do here. 43.82. Because I don't want to take profit at overnight low. Because I think if we get the momentum, we're going to head down to the value area high right here at 43.81. And then Camarilla S3 would be 43.77, 43.77. All right, so this is where I want to take profit here, 43.78. So let's see if we could get that. All right, so overnight low is at 43.88, and I think we could get a push through there. I don't think price is going to stop there. We got to break that liquidity at 43.90. It's looking like we have some nice momentum pushing down there. Some stops is coming out. The volume isn't too high. Let me point that out. Volume isn't too high for this candle right now, so that stop's coming out right there. We got to get the push through of 43.90. Let me show you what's going on here on Bookmap. So we're getting a little rejection here at 43.90. That's to be expected. So let's see if we get the push down through 43.90. Oh man, look at them buyers. Gosh damn. Let's see, where is my stop again? Let me see if I got stopped out. No, back at break even ish. All right, so I should add to the position right here. All right, so just add it to the position there. Let me see what happens. We have a little pullback off of the liquidity area right here. So let's see. I think they got me. I think they're gonna hit my stop. maybe. Yeah. Oh man. Let's see here. It's low volume on this push up right now, so let's see if it gets a rejection or if we just keep on going up. Coming back up to VWAP at 4400. This is gonna be a crazy squeeze if we get this push up from here, then that squeeze is gonna be crazy. All right, so we're sitting above VWAP right now, looking like we're gonna get continuation to the upside. I'm still thinking we might hit this heavy liquidity though, because all those transactions right there down here, 559, 317, 350. I think we gotta hit those. So this was a squeeze to shake people out, and all right, developing volume point of control just moved down on price. So let's see if that pushes price down or if price pushes above that at 4400 right here. We have some iceberg buying right here at this level. Let's see if they're trying to hold price up or if we're gonna sell from here. 150 iceberg executed. We have 182 executed here. Whether it's buy orders or sell orders, we don't really know. It's looking like it's buy orders, but we don't know what that was. Was it short covering or was it buying? I see it's almost what time is it? 10:55, almost 11 o'clock. So European close is coming up soon. Let's see if they sell their positions or what. Liquidity is coming in to support the upward move. We're pushing above VWAP and developing volume pointer control at 4400. So it's looking like it wants to squeeze, but still, I'm looking at that heavy liquidity down there. I don't know if they want to avoid that totally. I think they want to come back to that. Even if the uptrend is going to continue, I think they want to grab that liquidity down there. So one thing about trading, price is also a fact. I mean, time is also a factor, regardless of what price is doing. It's the time traders have to sit and wait in certain positions that gets them antsy. So that's another tactic to kind of get people to close their positions. So the way price is moving right now, man, it's a little crazy. So now we're just gonna auction around this level. So buyers are gonna wonder, is it gonna break down? Sellers are gonna probably try and jump in here and get the continuation. So the more time we spend around this level here, is the more people are gonna close out their positions. So let's see what happens, man. Kind of taking an extra risk right now in holding a position because after the squeeze, I did not close the position. So I'm still kind of thinking of the probability of leaving that heavy liquidity alone there at 43.90. I don't think they want to do that, but I could be wrong. Definitely could be wrong. So let's see what happens here. This is right now we basically retesting where we broke down from that 4400 level. And let's see if we get some rejection here or if we keep pushing higher. We could push back up to like 44.6, 44.5 and then make a decision from there, but let's see what we do right now. I'm already in the red today, so I'm kind of accepting this loss on the day. If I'm not reading this right and they avoid that heavy liquidity, then I'm accepting that, you know. But I'm kind of holding on right now. I'm deep in the red right now, so kind of holding on to see what happens right here. It is looking bullish though. It is looking like it wants to squeeze. There is liquidity to grab up here at 44.5, so let's see what it does. more we stay above VWAP is the more it's gonna encourage buyers. So it's not looking too good right now, but that 43.90 heavy liquidity is a big incentive, I think. So still moving against me. Yeah, I'm getting slaughtered today. Let's see, how long is this video right now? This is up to, see, I don't have the timer on it. Hold on. Okay, 47 minutes. All right, so maybe I'll go up to an hour. Okay, so will this be the turnaround at 44.05? Maybe, maybe not. Most likely not. The more price stays above this 4400 level is the less likely my trade is gonna work out. So if we do drop, it's a nice 10-point drop. They're gonna wipe out shorts. I mean, wipe out those stops from the buyers. So let's see what it's gonna do here. I don't know, man. I really think this is a setup to get back to 43.90. All right, so we're coming back to 4400. Let's see if they want to try and pick up buyers or if they distributing at the top and coming back down to 43.90. It depends on how we deal with this 4400 right now. Are we rushing through it or? Yeah, so we're getting a little stoppage right there. So let's see if the buyers come back in at this 4400 level, which most likely they're trying to do right now. So it looks like they're adding to liquidity up there at 4404. Just point that out. So we got the heavy liquidity here around this level. You can see the liquidity is still there at 43.90. All right, we're pushing back up off of VWAP and the developing POC at 4400. Coming back with testing this breakdown level right now. at 44.02. Okay, so this is looking good. It's looking good. We're rejecting, we retest, we broke down, retested. It needs to continue now to the downside because sellers have to attack this level here again. So let's see what's happening. Buyers defending this level right here at 44.1, 44.2. So we're getting this auction right here. Heavy liquidity pushing down on price right now, trying to cap it down at 249. 249 is the size, the lot size. So the buyers have to push through that. They have to prove their strength right now against this 255 they're adding to it. $256. I don't think they wanna pull out those orders. They're really serious about capping that price right there. So let's see what buyers are gonna do. Looks like they're adding more to that position as well. It's getting darker. All right, so we have this auction right here. We have the breakdown. You could get a retest when we hit here, or now is like a retest happening of the breakdown of the auction. Looking like we get a rejection. We're pushing back down right now. Continuing towards the 4400, developing POC and VWAP. And that's what we need. We need heavy momentum to push through this developing POC and VWAP so you could clear out the buyer stops. So the buyers are coming back in here again around this level, trying to defend it. We're up to 285 right now on this liquidity, 286. They're still adding to cap price down to push it down. Another retest here of the breakdown level of this auction. Let's see what it does if it push back up or they pull their order. Man, that's not good. This 286, they just pulled their order. That's not good. That's giving it room to move back up right now. All right, so we're coming back down to developing POC and VWAP again. It's looking a little weaker this time. It doesn't have the momentum from the previous two times, but let's see if they step on the gas at actual developing POC. This is where they gotta step on the gas right here, because buyers are buying at this level. All right, buyers coming in here again. These guys are adding their liquidity here again. This 286 that pulled, they're adding again. I think they're getting a little more confidence seeing that price didn't come up to it the last time. But they pull in again, they're still scared. Right, if we push down from this level here, it's a lower low again. So this was a lower low, lower high, sorry. This is another lower high. Let me just point that out. All right, kind of equal, but I think it's a little lower. And this is a definite lower high right there. This is the momentum I'm looking for right here. Momentum. So yeah, that's why I need to see the breakdown here of developing POC and VWAP. And now we need to get that 43.90. We need that sweep down. Could I come out with a green day today? Definitely could, but let's see what's happening now. I don't have it on view, but I actually added to the position up around like that 44.1 level. So I didn't stop out, I just held. So let's see what's happening now. What's happening? That's what I'm saying, man. If this pushes up now, well, I'll just accept the loss, but I'm thinking the high probability trade is to get back to that 43.90, you know? How could you leave that liquidity right there? The market makers don't like that, man. They want those stops, you know? So maybe the players, they're like, all right, let's act like we buy in here, push it back up, get the buyers in, and now we just gonna slaughter some buyer stops, you know? All right, my bad. I was just um I was just talking to my trading buddies here in Discord. think what's the name of the Discord is Premier Traders. What's it? Premier Tier Futures, right? Yeah. I think I'll probably try and put a link in my description. So maybe if you want to come through and join the Discord, you could do that. Okay, so not break even yet on the day, but still getting back there. Gotta cover these losses, man. I might stop out at 43.90, but my original target really is value area high at 42.8275. We got nice momentum moving down here, so right now I'm back green. I don't want to be scared and just stop the trade, but let's see what we do at 43.90. Hopefully we don't get no bounce up from here. Hopefully we could push through the liquidity. All right, 43.9175, 43.91. That's 691 99 contracts right there on the heavy liquidity. So we just touched it, 43.90. We're pushing back up now to 43.9125. Come on, push through. All right, 43.90.50 right now. And this YouTube stream for Bookmap has a little delay. I think it's 5 seconds. So I'm actually calling out the actual price at the time. So we're at 43.90 right now, 43.8975. So we're pushing through the heavy liquidity. Oh, this is looking good. This is looking good. Maybe I'll get that 43.82 target. Come on, push down 43.8275. Right now we're at 43.89. Could expect a little bounce here though. Come on, let's get some continuation here. Come on, let's go. Right now we testing 43.90 again. Looking like we pushing down 43.8975. Come on, let's get another momentum run. Let's see if we can break this level here at 43.89. Alright, this is what I'm gonna do here. I'll stop out some here and try and hold on to some. right? So I just stopped out there, and let's see. I'm trying to hold on to some of the rest here. Let's see if I'll 43.92.50 is my next stop. I might stop out before that though. All right, let me go down to my faster time frame, 15 seconds. My stop is at 43.90. Where is it? 43.92.50. Looking like we might get some continuation here. We had some they added liquidity again at 43.88.75. So let's see what's happening here. Gotta be cautious here of this. Yeah, I'm gonna stop out. All right, so not really a big day. That it could have been a nice big day, but I kind of held on to my short because I was thinking about the probability of not getting that heavy liquidity at 43.90. So we did come back, get that 43.90 heavy liquidity. They added to their positions again. So let me just show you. Right, so they added again. Now this right here, this is why I stopped out, right? Because if they could add this again here, then I ain't too sure that we could actually pull back and break through that. So maybe we might hover around here a little bit. We might come back and take it out, but I can't really chance that right now. This was enough chance I took here to get back to 43.90, and I'm just looking at it as the probability of not taking that out was kind of low, man, because market makers need the fuel to take those liquidity orders out. Even if they want to push back up higher, they need to come back down to get that heavy liquidity. So right now we're pushing up off of that heavy liquidity, might come back up to 4,400 and maybe take another dip. I don't know, but that's it for me. 600 on the day, and I was trying to get closer to getting funded. Right now, let's see how much I'm away from it. About 1,500. Yeah, about 1,500 away. Right now I'm at 157,470. I gotta get up to 159. So let's see, maybe next couple of days I could get up to that, do another two of these, and then I'll be there. All right, y'all. So that's my trade for today. It's Malak Shalomo. I hope you all enjoyed the trade, and see you all tomorrow. Trade safe and stay blessed.